Right? Stage 291. That's what we should be doing. Oh, I gotta wait because this guy just came out of nowhere, homeboy. You gotta take it easy. With the downpipe finally installed, I'm ready to try stage 2 on the Cobb Accessport, just the OTS Cobb, you know, because that's what I have right now. Turn it on, right? So let's do that. Right, here you go. Tune. Okay. I'm gonna change my mapping. Change ECU map. Okay, got stage 0. Stage 1. Let's go stage 291. Yep. Please turn off headlights, blah, 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 blah. So I'm gonna do the charger right now. Hooked up the charger once more on the battery. Charger. And with the 20 amp charging and ready to go. Yes. Okay. Taking time. Okay. Is what? Oh, okay. It's like showing all these different things, and it's making me paranoid. But this is supposed to be normal, you know, all these signals, because obviously the Accessport is doing its thing. So with the stage 2 Cobb OTS tune, it's supposed to generate at least what, 248 or 250 wheel horsepower. So this is much faster. As you can see, we almost there. Turn key to off, turn ignition key to on position immediately, then press OK. Okay. Change map successful. Please turn ignition key to off for at least 15 seconds. Okay, let's do that. Show current map. Stage 2, 91. Let's start it up, see how it feels. Definitely smells like more gas now. We'll see, man. We'll see how this goes. Take it for a test drive. These are the gauges I decided to go with right now. As you can see, I have the relative manifold pressure, which is supposed to be more accurate than just the boost pressure. They have the AIT, the AFR, the coolant temp, the knock, retard average, and engine oil temp. So that's my setup right now, recommended by EQT. So I'm gonna go with that right now and see how it goes. I've been playing with the Cobb right here, Accessport, and now I'm able to get my DSG, because I just purchased the DSG unlock from Cobb via Stratified. You just have to go through the steps, you know, with getting an email from Cobb, and then they're gonna give you like a key that you input into the Accessport manager, and then from there, once you are able to see if your TCU is enabled, then you can go back in the car right here and then just upload your TCU tune. Install DSG, right? Wait. Cobb. We got our choices right here. Aggressive. We're just gonna go simulated stock. Boom. Installation of this. Boom. Warning. 20 amp battery. Okay. We good. 20 amp battery. Right there. Charging. So everything good. Do the TCU tune. Boom. Use the information from here. Again, it's showing me all these weird lights because of this DCG tune or TCU tune. But I'm just doing the simulated stock because I'm gonna use the information to give to Stratified to get my DSG flash update from them. 100%. Boom. We are good. Just about good. So not that long. Turn off ignition key and then immediately turn on. Let's continue. Boom. Installation successful. Wait at least 15 seconds. By doing the DSG unlock, I'm able to get a TCU ID that now I could provide to Stratified so that they could finish my custom DSG tune. Once I give them that TCU ID, all I do is fill up the paperwork they give me, and then I just wait for the tune that they will do for me. Okay, we're gonna set up the Accessport for a different type of DSG tune. Tune. ECU change. No, we're gonna change the DSG. DSG. Change DSG map. Boom. We'll wait. So I think I have this on OEM. So I want to get something better. Let's see, there's aggressive, there's OEM plus, there's sport, stock, simulated stock. It's on simulated stock right now, but I'm gonna go to sport mode. Right, Cobb Sport for DSG. Okay, make sure the battery is charging. Battery charging. Okay, got that covered. We good to go. Boom. Okay, do not turn off. You can see 1%. Boom. Right, they start acting up again like that. Error messages, don't worry about it. Just keep going. So yeah, maybe like 5 minutes to get this thing loaded up. Pretty quick. Yeah, okay. On and off for the key. And press OK. Boom. Map successful, as you can see. Off position for at least 15 seconds and then we're ready to go. Let's check current map and see where we're at. And right now, as you can see, it shows DSG reflash, sport, and then ECU reflash stage 2. So that's where we're at right now, ready for a test drive. Obviously it's going to be better than stock, but I just want to feel the difference, you know, make sure that it's something that is worth having instead of just waiting for my Stratified tune, you know, that I'll be able to enjoy this one as well. Okay, right now we're on drive, so everything will be kind of chill. I think it shifts too soon, but that's how drive is, right? I mean, so very similar to OEM in a way. Of course, I'm not really pressing the gas too much, so you know, I'm sure that if I press more, it would be a little more aggressive, you know. But right now, I'm just, whoa, okay, that's trying to be. Has some cajones, and I have it on sport mode, so I almost got cut off by that car, so that's why. But as you could tell, you could hear the downpipe, right? Don't have the burbles yet because I don't have the tune from Stratified. But right now, you know, I have the Stage 2 from Cobb and the sport mode, on sport mode. Does that make sense? So sport mode and sport mode flash. That's what we have right now. So EMT right here. I gotta wait. So, you know, gotta wait for this guy. Okay, now let's do sport mode. Let's see how it goes. Woo! All right, all right. Better shifts for sport mode, I feel, you know, and obviously the Stage 2 helps too. Let's try it with manual mode. Let's see how that goes. Oh, I gotta wait because this guy just came out of nowhere, homeboy. You gotta take it easy. This guy just came out of nowhere, man. So that's why I can't really go crazy, because there's idiots behind me that try to go fast, even they're not even that fast, right? So let's go. DSG Sport, it holds the gear longer, so it gives you more revs, right? If it's just a regular sport mode with the OEM, I feel like it shifts sooner. See, so watch, let's try again with the sport mode. So yeah, it definitely holds the gear longer, which is good, right? Because it's more it's better revving. I think in manual mode it's really all up to you, and obviously because there's more power with the Stage 2, then everything feels faster, you know, naturally. Definitely. So there's cops here too, so can't really go wild, you know. But definitely faster. It's just this guy can't make up his mind. So yeah. So even when I just press a little bit, right? Because it's Stage 2, it's obviously faster. Watch, try again. All right. Yeah, feels better. Definitely feels better. But even when I put it on sport mode, I feel like it's pretty good. So I'm just gonna keep it there because I don't want to, you know, keep driving too fast. It's too early in the daytime for that. Let's see how this feels. Okay, let's go again. I think it's a mixture of Stage 2 and the DSG Sport mode. That's what I'm thinking, right? Obviously, you're gonna get more power because it's Stage 2, even though it's just Cobb, and then it's gonna shift longer because it's the DSG Sport mode with Cobb. And so, even though it's still considered conservative, right, compared to like whether it's EQT or Stratified or any of that, those vendors that, I mean, they would give more in terms of the ECU tune or their DSG tune. It's still pretty good, obviously, compared to stock. That's the, I should say, benefit or the advantage of having the DSG Sport and the Stage 2 is that you get more power and you get longer shifts. Yep. Smoother shifting as well. Aside from, well, in sport mode, it keeps the gear longer, but in manual mode, it shifts much smoother. I think. I feel like it's grippier. Like the clutch holds firmer. I feel. But that's gonna do it. Till next time, drive safe and keep on rolling.